jerk.
Ah, look who's home. This one here is my pride and joy.
Lord, is my goodness, I hate this heat! If it isn't gluing your butt to the truck seat, it's making you sweat like a farm animal. And I want something better! Hey, everybody.
You remember your cousin Vicky, don't you, Russ? Yeah, she's a dancer now. Her picture's everywhere. Phone booths, men's rooms. She's famous. Show him that little move I taught you there, pork chop.
Don't think unnatural thoughts about your cousin, Russ.
She's got her mama's looks and her daddy's sense of balance. Hose down now, kids. Chicken's almost ready.
How's your chicken? Mine's dry as hell.
Mine's dry as hell, too.
You want to hang out with Cousin Vicky tonight? I'll give you my beeper number.
Really, that would be great.
If y'all are still hungry, I can wrestle the potato salad away from the dog.
Well, as appealing as that sounds, Eddie, we really should be going. Still got a lot of sightseeing to do, and I just added tetanus shot to the list.
Sorry about the tablecloth. Rusty's never had this reaction to poultry before.
Oh.
He just ain't used to real home cooking. Are you, Tiger?
Eddie.
Oh, yeah.
Eddie, he's sick.
Whoa.
Anyway,
He'll be all right.
I wish you and Catherine could come, but no room for the kids, so thanks for the lunch and bye.
Not so fast, Clark. Let me get the babysitter. Hey, kids! Roundup time! That'll keep them busy for hours. Where are we going?
Hoover Dam, over 1,000 feet wide and 727 feet to the bottom.
Where can I buy some bait around here?
Oh, I love electricity. Eddie says we're gonna get some soon.
What a magnificent achievement.
Clark, this is a family vacation. Could you try to stay with the family?
Sorry, honey.
This way, please. The tour is about to start. Welcome, everyone. I am your dam guide, Arnie. Now, I'm about to take you through a fully functioning power plant. So please, no one wander off the dam tour. And please take all the dam pictures you want. Now, are there any damn questions?
Yeah, where can I get some damn bait?
Eddie.
This way, please.
What'd you say?
This way.
Don't worry about the water leaking through the rocks, folks. It's perfectly normal. Please keep up with the tour. This is one of the oldest dam tunnels we have.
Audrey! Audrey, come here. Give me your gum.
Out of my mouth?
I don't care, any gum. Just give me some gum. Look what's happening here. Here. Just tell me, I'll catch up. Oop. Damn.
Ellen? Russ? Where the hell is the damn tour?
Oh boy, oh boy.
Ellen?
And there are over 100 million tons of cement in these walls.